Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you 3 ways to clean your PC. The first way is to clean the temporary files, so that's what we're gonna do. So go to the start bar and type run. Click on run and the first thing you need to type is temp. After you have this, you just need to delete all of them. These aren't important files and you can delete them. After you did that, you can close this. Go type run again. Click on it. And now you have to type this. After you type this, you have this pop up. Also delete this. This will also free up a lot of space in your C drive, and it will make your PC a lot faster. After you're done with this, go type run again, but this time prefetch. Type that, click continue. This isn't an important file, it isn't important, you could just delete this. Okay. Always delete it from your bin, because if you don't delete it, it will still be on your PC. So you can permanently delete them. Okay, done. The next thing you can do is type defrag. It will show you this. Click on it. Click on optimize. It will show everything. And you can also plan on when it's doing this thing, but I'm not doing that. So you can close this down. Next thing you can do is you can go to system, storage, and here you can see everything that you can delete.